So I'm going to demonstrate removing the keycaps that the Alpha Freewrite came with and replace it with the keycaps that I got recommended in the Astrohaus Freewrite group on social media. So these are the ones that I ordered based on what somebody else had ordered, and it actually comes with the tool. I ended up buying a tool anyways. These right here, I guess they work just like this one right here. So we're going to go with the tool set that it came with, and then we'll maybe try this one later. So I'm going to go ahead and start plugging one key at a time. I think we want to just do the alphanumeric keys because I read so far that the replacement for the other keys are not straightforward. I'm going to pour all these in the box. There we go. And I was thinking, instead of picking keys to do replace here first, I'm going to find a key in here to replace that way. We're only doing alphanumeric. We don't need function keys. Let's see, a shift key. No, I don't know if we can do shift key. Should we check out and see if we can do the shift key? Yeah, I'll turn this around a little bit over here so you can see what I'm doing. There we are. I'm going to see if the shift key is replaceable. There's three connections on there. I don't know if there's three connections on this. It feels like there is because I don't feel it, wiggle waggling. So let's try it. All right. Here we go. Get it in there nice and snug. Pull that out. Okay. Get it on the other side nice and snug. Okay. There we are. Maybe if I get it down here and roll it down, pull it up. There we go. Yep, and I was right. There's three of them. Isn't that something? So I'm going to see if these line up. They sure do. So I'm going to put the shift key in here. And if you look at the mechanism here, it's not something that's going to easily break like you'd find in a laptop keyboard. These look pretty straightforward. So let me see if the depth is the same. Yeah, the depth is about the same. All right, let's try pushing it in. Let's see, does it line up? Yeah, it lines up. All right, let me see here. Yep, they're all the same. We just gotta wiggle it in until it fits all the way in here. Huh. Yeah, that shift thing is not working too well. Well, let's save the shift key for now. We'll put this one back in if that other one doesn't work. Now, they're different depths too, so that might have something to do with it. That this is, let's see here. No, they're about the same height from the bottom, so I don't know what's going on there. Let's see if we can replace another key. You don't need escape. No, we don't need F2. Here's T. T for Tom. And the number 1. So let's go for the number 1 key and see if we can get that out without too much trouble. There we are. There we are. That's out. You just wiggle it a little bit and it works. Okay, so now it's 1 exclamation. Here's 1. The thing with these keys is you don't have what comes up with the shift. I think I can remember which one each one of those is. So now I'm going to push this in. There it is. It doesn't even snap it. It just goes in. So we got that one done. Now let's try T. T for Tom. All right. Pull that out. I'll put T in there. That's easy. So replacing all these keys is going to be pretty easy. The shift key I'm still not sure about. I'm going to try it again just for kicks. It's not really going in there. Yeah. 1 and 1, but it's not going in the middle one, I think, and that's the one with the action. This is the one in the middle. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's not going in, so we're going to put the old one back. So all the bigger keys, you know, the function keys as opposed to the alphanumeric keys, yeah, see, we have to leave alone. For whatever reason, it doesn't work. But what's nice about replacing these keys is you got the dome in each key press, where on the flat ones you have a tendency to, you know, slip and hit the wrong key. It's really nice that we replace the space bar. Now, some people were talking about replacing the space bar and that not being an option on this particular thing. And I can see right here, there really isn't one that's, you know, the right size for that to happen. So let's put those on the side. All right. So yeah, just the alphanumeric keys is what we're going to be working with here. So here I found a W. Certainly isn't an M, or is it? Huh. Nope. It's definitely a W. All right. So moving forward, I think I'm just going to fast forward this footage while it's recording.
That's good music right there. That's all music right there. That's all music
I'm gonna put this a little more in your face too.
Sounds good. Synchronism. The detour from space to space equals time center to this moment in my mind's place. How Shavidica, thy Shavidica. The detour is always the same. Right behind our every thought, eagerly witness to all How Shavidica, thy Shavidica. The detour named after the art of chance. Before the eye of our aware, hidden behind every acknowledgement. How Shavidica, thy Shavidica. The detour through which channels us as conduits. Wherefore willful spontaneity sponsors synchronism. The detour, home whence the door ajar. Enter with clarity and hence harmony return. Synchronism. The detour, the shortest distance, just points and no lines is the instant passage. Synchronism. Shavidica. Spontaneity sponsors synchronism. 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 Spontaneity sponsors synchronism.
Now we're going to turn this on and see how the typing's working. Here. So return. Let's see. Hello world. D. Right there. There we go. Ta-da.